So here's my little Christmas creation. Just gonna talk about it a little bit. Put it on, let's see, fade. So these actually are for, you know, flowers. You put flowers in them in vases or whatever. And I found a big one, medium, smaller, and then these are little lights I found, and I stuck them on there. I thought it looked pretty cool, man. You got different modes you can put it on. This one's this is strobe, and then this one's a smooth transition from one color to the next. This is a flash, and I like how it turned out. You know, we found this little in our house, this little Christmas hat, and I got the kids to find me some sticks and stuck those sticks in there, and I put these little big they're not little, they're big staples under there just to support, because the stickiness on there isn't that great, but those little things help support it. Then we found a little ribbon just to tie around his neck. Just a little Christmas creativity. From our little Snowman Robot. Also thought this was pretty cool. He shakes. Hey, how's it going, man? Hey, man.